Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a group chat on Talkie Soulful AI. So the first step you need to follow is to open the app Talkie Soulful AI. So once you open, you need to click on your profile picture. If you log in from your account, and here you can see an option of create group chat. Click here, and here you can see group chat mode, public or unlisted. It is up to you. Then you need to add group chat name here and add group chat description. Group chat members, that is you. And if you want to add members, click here and then you need to add members. If you want, you can add tags, member relations, and then you need to click on confirm creation. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.